Hi friends, today we're going to discuss macOS Sequoia's most important feature, iPhone Mirror. The iPhone mirroring feature in macOS Sequoia allows users to mirror their iPhone screen directly on their Mac, creating a seamless and integrated experience between devices. Here are some key aspects of this feature. Real-time mirroring. The iPhone screen is mirrored in real time on the Mac, allowing users to see everything that's happening on their iPhone on their computer. One of the coolest things is the interactive feature. Users can actually interact with their iPhone screen on their Mac. This includes tapping, swiping, and even typing. It's like having your iPhone right on your Mac screen. And hey, it gets better. You can run iPhone apps and games directly on your Mac. This is possible by using your iPhone's processing power. So, you get the best of both worlds. Multitasking is another great feature. Users can multitask on their Mac while mirroring their iPhone. This means you can work on documents or browse the web while still interacting with your iPhone. It's all about making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Convenience. This feature eliminates the need to constantly switch between devices or worry about compatibility issues. Security. iPhone mirroring uses end-to-end encryption and secure authentication to ensure that data transmitted between devices remains private and secure. Ease of use. The feature is easily accessible through the Mac's dock or a dedicated shortcut, making it simple to start mirroring with just a few clicks. Compatibility. iPhone mirroring is compatible with various iPhone models and Mac computers running macOS Sequoia or later. By integrating the iPhone and Mac experiences, iPhone mirroring in macOS Sequoia enhances productivity, convenience, and entertainment, further blurring the lines between mobile and desktop computing. So please like, share, and also subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.